So once the video has been uploaded and you add in contents onto the videos, you can still make changes to the description and the title and other video settings as per how you like. So to do that, you can go around onto the content section from the home page of YouTube Studio right here, and you get access to all of the videos as you can see right here, which has been uploaded. So let's say you want to make changes to this particular video right here, then you can go around and click on the details section and you get this option as you can see right here, similar to that when you actually upload out a video for the first time. So this is where you can go around, change around the title, change around the description according to how you want. So I'm just going to go around and let's say this is an example description right here, just like this. And then you can go around and hit the save button, and what happens is that that particular description will be updated in the video. You can also change around the thumbnail right here. You can change the visibility right here, just like this, add in thumbnails, work around with the end screen by clicking on it right here, and you can make the changes over here just like this. You can go around and change around the audience settings and age restriction settings for this as well. And that is how you can go around and change around the settings even after you upload your videos inside of YouTube by using YouTube Studio editing feature. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.